Hello to my viewers. My topic today is about implicit function. This topic is under Calculus 1, and we know that Calculus 1 is differential calculus. This math is intended to the students who are majoring in mathematics and engineering students. So when we say implicit function, so I have function x and y is equal to 0. So meaning I have to differentiate in terms of x and in terms of y. So note that m equals dy over dx. In algebra, we have slope is equals to y over x. But in differential calculus, we will use dy over dx. So I have in here, find the slope of the curve. This is the curve. And then the point is given, 1 and 2. So x squared plus 2y squared minus 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. So I need to differentiate. So this will be, in terms of x, so this will be 2x dx over dx. Okay? So 2y squared, this will be 4 because 2 times 2 is 4, and then this will be 4y dy over dx. Then minus derivative of 3x, this will be 3 dx over dx. Then minus derivative of 4y, this will be 4 dy over dx. Note that the derivative of a constant or a number, that will be 0 and equate to 0. So this will be 2x dx over dx, that will be 1, plus 4y dy over dx. Then minus 3 dx over dx is 1, minus 4 dy over dx. So this will be deleted and equal to 0. So this will be 2x plus 4y dy over dx minus 3 minus 4 dy over dx is equal to 0. Since I have a limited space on my whiteboard, so I will erase at the top. Okay, so combine dy dx. So this will be 4y dy over dx. Then this one minus 4 dy over dx. And then need to transpose this one without dy dx. So this one, positive 2x. So this will be equal, this will be 0 minus 2x. Then transpose negative 3 to the right. This will be plus 3. And then common factor of dy dx, this will be dy over dx. This will be 4y minus 4 is equal to minus 2x plus 3. This one will be deleted. And then divide both sides by 4y minus 4 in order to solve the slope or dy dx. Divide also by 4y minus 4. So 4y minus 4 will be crossed out. So I have here dy over dx is equal to minus 2x plus 3. And then common 4, this will be y minus 1. Note that the point 1 and 2, note that dy dx is equals to m. So m is equals to, we will substitute this one, x and y. So minus 2 times 1 plus 3. Then 4 square brackets. This will be y is 2 minus 1. I think we can use circle bracket only. So this will be y is 2, then minus 1. So this will be negative 2. Then plus 3. Then this will be 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. So what is negative 2 plus 3? This is unlike sign, so subtraction. 3 minus 2 is 1. And then the sign is positive because 3 is greater than 2. And then 3 is having a positive sign. So therefore, my answer is positive 1. Then this will be 4. So therefore, the slope of the curve is 1 over 4. That's all.